If your kids like playing with Legos, then they'll love taking the Weebotics and Intro to Robotics classes at the Park Authority. In these classes, kids go on a grand adventure, building their own Weebots out of basic Legos. Woo!
Weebotics is an exciting class. Kids as young as 4 to 6 get to work with traditional Lego pieces. So it's blocks that they've already been building with, and kids love Legos. They love playing with Legos and are fascinated with robots and love the computer. So it's like bringing all these things together. So the kids get to build with traditional Lego pieces, design these robots. It's very empowering. They get to make these things happen. It's very exciting. Parents come in all the time and they cannot believe their kids are making these robots and writing these computer programs and doing all these cool things.
Our students are learning a lot of computer skills, team building skills, and a lot of sharing. The way that they learn it is they have to follow a booklet that tells them exactly what they do. So they get really good with that, because if they build it wrong, then they have to go back and troubleshoot their robot and figure out what happened and then fix it. A typical class starts off with what we call group time or circle time, and that's where the instructor sits with all the children and we teach them any new pieces that they may have never seen before. We tell them what robots are going to build, and then we explain to them how the robots are going to work. After that, we break into groups, everyone works with a partner, and they all go to their own station and they build a robot together. Once they finish building the robot, then they program it, and they learn different ways that each of our programming blocks work together. And then after they program it, they plug in their robot and see how it works, play around with it for a little bit, and then we come back into circle time again, where we review everything that we did, and we have the children go over all the pieces that they learned and tell us exactly what they told their robot to do and how well it worked.
After kids have mastered the Weebotics, then we move on to robotics. We work with the Lego Mindstorm NXT 2.0, and the kids are building, designing robots, and similar to the Weebots, but more pieces, more complex robots, and we get to do more complex programming with the kids.
Robots are a lot of fun. It's a really colorful activity, and they love working with partners. It's a great way to build teamwork, and you're learning how to share, and it's a lot of fun for them to do.
Kids have no fear. They just want to know what the possibilities are. So, exposing them to technology, giving them these skills, showing them at a young age what's possible, then it just opens all kinds of doors for them.